Hello and welcome, coaches. Let me give you an idea of what you're gonna get inside this Humanized AI Academy. This has been powerfully made, keeping in mind a lot of things so that people who are thinking that nothing is working for them, they start and they get going with the help of this powerful academy. Let's go with it. So, if you see, this is a blueprint to make your first 75,000 rupees client and how the steps are made. The start talks about the Humanized AI Foundation. It has a precision targeting and lead magnet attraction system. It has a pre-selling system. It has a closing system. You don't need to have any expensive ads, exhausting webinars, or you don't need any big following. So the promise is how you're going to attract, pre-sell, and close high-ticket buyers in 30 days using this humanized AI system, right? See, if a lot of people I see they are into the content trap, they are posting daily, they are being ghosted, their empties DMs literally bother them all the time, and they are like, facing this imposter syndrome, saying, "Am I really worth?" So deep down, you know that you can transform lives, but your audience are not feeling like that. So you have to be pre-selling yourself and the services before anybody buys. So if whatever you are doing right now it's not working, that means you have to change it. So, had it been working, you must be getting results. If it is not happening, that means there is something wrong. And this mistake, knowingly or unknowingly, if you are doing, you need to come out of this content trap, right? Third is why these proven methods are breaking your businesses. People are talking about doing ads without organic presence. Even your ads are not gonna work. You are doing webinars. Who is gonna get registered? And even if somebody is getting registered, they're not gonna be building that kind of a trust. Not gonna buy. And even if nobody is buying and you don't have any testimonials, then other people are teaching like that you need to be having testimonials, but somewhere you need to start. So this particular system talks about even if you don't have any testimonials, even if you are a beginner, this system will start producing results in 30 days. That's the point. Now there is a paradigm shift, the older way and the humanized AI way. Now you see there are a lot of people who are thinking that by posting more they'll be visible. No way. You have to micro target your positioning before a specific buyer. Similarly, you don't have trust built, then your precise messaging will definitely create trust. That is what I call innate trust, right? Then educating the audience definitely will get you likes and followers, but pre-selling will give you the transformation, and that is how you're gonna proceed in the DMs. Similarly, if you are doing pressure pitches like time bond limits and blah blah, these are all methods which have been not working now. You have to be natural. You have to have unscripted conversations, and that is how the enrollment are gonna happen, right? And the older way was like you are working 3 hours plus a day to create content, talk to people, and blah blah blah. Here you just have to give 60 to 90 minutes a day using custom AI engines to do all this job. So maybe your followers, you are teaching them with some good stuff which we call value. We believe in insights, right? So they definitely will get followers, but you will not be getting clients. If you want to get clients, you need to create pre-sold followers. That's the difference, and this is the paradigm shift. Now you see, proof and testimonials, yes, they are needed, but they would only work again with the same philosophy unless and until you don't micro target yourself. You don't have a proper positioning so that people understand you as an expert into that. Unless and until you have a proper positioning, your proofs and testimonials will be like you are pushing those things onto the people, and people don't value that, right? So when your messaging speaks precisely to a premium buyer exact pain, fear, and desire, then they will definitely not ask for testimonials. They will simply ask, "Hey, how can you start? When are we gonna do work together?" That's it. That's the differentiator. Now, an AI powered engine, which is this humanized AI system, is built for those coaches who see and they feel because they have tried multiple things, saying, "Yeah, nothing is working for me." So, this is the complete plug and play system blending proven high ticket frameworks and custom trained AI GPTs. And this is my track record where I have held more than 15,000 coaches. My lifetime sales revenue has already crossed 75 right crores, and I have an experience more than 14. It has increased now, it has been 15 years now. But yes, this is what. So what all these things, and it is a 6 module 18 plus training video and it has been divided into 3 phases. Number 1 is the architecture, where we talk about foundation. Number 2 phase is magnetizing, where we talk about lead generation and evergreen nurturing. And number 3, which is phase number 3, is harvesting, where we are booking calls and doing sales. So this is an exact roadmap to secure your first 75,000 client in just 30 days. Right? Now, these are the different modules. The module 1 is talking about the foundation. Module 2 about your offer, which is an irresistible offer. Phase 2, where we are talking about lead generation, as module 3, and evergreen nurturing as module 4. This comes under phase 2, which is magnetizing your audience. And number 3 is harvesting, where we have 2 different modules. One is DM call booking, another is high ticket closing. Right? So this is your AI arsenal, where you get 6 custom GPTs. Number 1, niche finding GPT, buyer profile GPT, position GPT, evergreen content GPT, lead magnet GPT, and the conversation GPT. This is all what will make your speed faster. And this is the fast action accelerators, where you get multiple bonuses, offer launch masterclasses, objection destroyer scripts, 30-day client acquisition plan, and VIP community access. Right? But this is available for only for the first 100 premium members. Right? It is valued at 49,998, and you have to choose now. We recommend the premium plan because it has multiple other things in addition to what the basic plan has. And the price, if you see, this is just one weekend dinner with your family. If you go to a dinner, you have starters, you have the main course, and if you have desserts, you see the price would be something like this. So one family dinner, the price of one family dinner is gonna give you this entire shift in your business. So fast forward to 180 days. This is a blueprint reality where you are gonna make this kind of money. So you become the coach. You become the coach which other people will start studying in. So if you are not taking action, the cost of inaction is like burning through savings, empty DMs, and updating your LinkedIn profile to crawl back and get into the corporate rat race is not gonna work. So your biggest risk is staying stuck. The risk is not losing your 1998, which is a proven system. The risk is looking back 6 months from now, where you will still think, oh, why I could not do this, right? Because this has been tested by real coaches, real results. There is lifetime support and updates in the premium plan, and it is an immediate plug and play access. So now it is you who are to say, yes, I'm ready to attract the 75,000 rupees clients. That's it.